Hi, Assalamu alaikum, Aibohan Wanakam. Today I'm going to tell you how to clean your charger slot, Android phone or iPhone, any phone. So I'm going to explain in three languages. First I will explain in English. What exactly problem? I can show you my charger cable when I plugging. See, it's not stable and even it's not reaching full. Okay. So this is the solution I'm going to show you today. Maybe most of the people know about this one, which I got to know today. That's why I want to explain to everyone. Now in Tamil, என்ன இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம் நாங்கள் வந்து இந்த சார்ஜர் ஸ்லாட்டில் வந்து சரியாக சார்ஜ் ஆகுதில்ல, அந்த சார்ஜர் பின் வந்து சரியாக ஸ்டேபிளாக நிற்குதில்ல, அதான் நீங்கள் பார்க்குறீங்க. ஓகே, அதே மொத்தம் சவுண்டும் குறைவாக இருக்குது. இதை பற்றி தான் நான் இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். and ada mama golonta pennande anne me charger slot එක කොහොමද clean කරන්නේ බලන්න මේක දාගන්න බෑ හරියට stable නෑ. එතකොට අපි කරන්න තියෙන එක මම දැන් වීඩියෝ එකෙන් පෙන්නනවා. Okay, let's go for the video. Wow, I think see that the dust is here. Okay, I'm going to clean. You see here dust. Oh my god, look at this. That's why it's not stable. Okay, still oh shit, you can see here. So take one small pin and even speakers, don't do it harder, just slightly. You can see it's too much dust. Think now it's clear. Let's see for the charger. Yes, let's see. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe. ரொம்ப நன்றி. தயவு செய்து பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். බොහොම ස්තුතියි. මොනවාරි තියෙනවා නම් කමෙන්ට් එකේ දාන්න. මට පුළුවන් දෙයක් මම වීඩියෝ කරලා දෙන්න. Thank you very much.